क्या आप जानते हैं खाली पड़ी छत से भी पैसा कमा सकते हैं और बिजली के बढ़ते हुए बिल से छुटकारा पा सकते हैं? ये कैसे मुमकिन होगा? सूरज की रोशनी सोलर पैनल पर पड़ने से करंट जनरेट होगा और वो इन्वर्टर के थ्रू आपके घर के नेट मीटर में सप्लाई होगा, जिससे आपके घर के सारे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इक्विपमेंट चलेंगे और जब पावर डिमांड कम होगी तो सोलर से बनी बिजली को आप डिस्कॉम पे बेच सकते हैं। सोलर सिस्टम की वारंटी 25 साल है और ये बाजार में सबसे अच्छी इन्वेस्टमेंट है। किंग सोलर आपकी छत का शेडो एंड 3D एनालिसिस करके आपको बेस्ट कस्टमाइज सोलर पैकेज के साथ नेट मीटरिंग और सब्सिडी करवा के देगा। तो आज ही हमारे इंजीनियर्स को साइट पर विजिट करने के लिए कॉल करें 78271059.
Hey there, eco-conscious friends. Welcome to Energific Solar Private Limited, where innovation meets sustainability. As a registered startup under DIP, we're trailblazers in the solar energy sector, delivering cutting-edge solutions that redefine how we harness the sun's power. Imagine a world where your solar system is not just efficient but effortlessly maintained. Our automatic water sprinklers cleaning system ensures your panels stay clean and performance-ready, while our AI-based solar generation mobile app gives you real-time insights and optimizations for your solar energy needs. But we don't stop there. Our aesthetically pleasing solar pergolas seamlessly blend style with function, enhancing your outdoor spaces while maximizing solar energy capture. And for those looking to take control of their energy consumption, our electricity bill calculator easily suggests the perfect solar capacity for your needs. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Energific Solar proudly stands at the #1 spot in the PM Surya Ghar Yojana, and we've become your trusted partner in solar solutions. We're empaneled with leading distribution companies like BSES, TPDL and DHBVN, with over 1,000 successful installations across schools, hospitals, factories, religious places and homes. We've earned our reputation for excellence and reliability. Our commitment to you extends beyond installation. Our dedicated service and maintenance team is always on standby, ready to provide solutions within 24 hours, ensuring your system operates at peak efficiency. Energific Solar has garnered international recognition, with coverage from prestigious media outlets like DW, French TV and News 9, showcasing our innovative solutions on a global stage. Join us in our mission to power a brighter, more sustainable future. Energific Solar, where innovation shines and the future is powered by the sun. Discover more at www.energificsolar.com. Energific Solar Private Limited, empowering tomorrow today.